Hello friends, in the previous video we have seen how to create a simple function without parameters. In this video we will see how to add parameters in that function. Parameters are added inside the parenthesis in the function definition. In the same function, if we want to personalize a motivational message, we can add the user's name also. If the user's name is Diana, we can add this name as an argument to a parameter name. So our personalized message should be, "Hi Diana, this is your message for the day." So let's say I am adding this as a complete string. This will be, "Hi Diana, this is your message for the day." Okay. So what is the use of a parameter here? What if I use a parameter here? So this is going to be an argument. So what I do is I introduce a parameter name. Okay. So I add name here. So what's so special about this is I can use this as a formatted string. So this is called a formatted string. A formatted string will always have a f and a quote. The parameters should be inside the braces. So how do we add this argument in this function is here. We add the argument here with a double quote since it is a string. So I add Diana. So when I run this code, you will get a personalized motivational message. I'll run this code here. When I run this code, "Hi Diana, this is your message for the day. Success is the answer." Thank you.